guys, let's visit tea museum here.
Leafy season here, it gives a furnace. Raining season, hot here.
This one is
Before fermenting, after fermenting.
So guys, let's visit tea museum here.
Tea leaves, the same meat leaves and baking season dates based on the climate. Sometimes rain, sometimes hot. This is a good season. Every 7 days properly. All season, every 15 days. For same leaf, making co-parent tea. White tea, green tea, orthodox black tea, CBC black tea, same leaf. But processing different. Only the but only have to sunlight dry. That is whiting. It's very costly, but whiting is a high antioxidant. The whiting good for heart block, anti-cancer. Otherwise, it will be power high. It is skin basic good for it. But white tea not in the market. The production is very less and very expensive. But kilo 10,000 to 50,000. Not in the market. The second one is green tea. One of the good leaves. You have to soft leaves only, hand plucking. No idea the process, just only washing the leaf, then steaming the leaf. Steaming, rolling, sunlight, that is green. But white tea, green tea, now withering, now fermenting. It's more antioxidant value. But white tea, green tea, now to drink it every stop after breakfast. Before breakfast, drink good fat dioxide, and will get the back. The people are plantation only, white tea, green tea only, manually have fat. By that. Black tea is now separately. By 6 fermenting all together. The first process is drying the tea leaves in a cell. The process name is withering. It will be going down, then black tea process started. Black tea type. Orthodox black tea, CBC black tea. Orthodox tea means only without milk. The other tea, English breakfast tea. The name is orthodox tea water. They put the tea leaves inside pressed pipe. The rolling, fermenting, right. They go orthodox tea. It's a very old one, only never. Made in Niagara first. So end of 50 years old. And the CDC technique for normal Indian style. The powder granule is not milk. It's not like baby. Then cutting, CBC. Pressing, tearing, cutting. Same part, no type. Finer and finer. Same cutting, finer and finer.
this one is
before fermenting, after fermenting.
and this one and this one.
Before fermenting, after fermenting. After fermentation, very important. Fermentation means fermentation. Nothing or anything. Fermenting means automatically express fermenting start. That's it. Fermentation process is 10 minutes. After fermenting, this local whatever sources. For example, chopping the apple, open it, first place, same fermenting. After fermentation, here 130 degree, 548 bread. And after breaking the dough, the waste paint, it is stuck particle. After press here, spoonful fiber. Then the roller ball is starting. Please, it is for the post. Base, okay. Base is for the post. You're showing the size. It's showing the size. different grades. Bigger granular, more taste, more flavor, wider, more stronger. After some ratios blending, taking lot of grams. The same simple change. You put 4 kilo mainly, making 1 kilo grain. The total entire process 16 to 19 hours. 1 kilo also same there, 1000 kilo also same there. Okay, then you know, this is the fighting video.
Very sharp.
Same like this.
Yes.
One is clockwise,
Clockwise.
second one anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
One roller, 3 type of crush, rear, upper.
Sharpener is.
This very sharp.
Yes, sir. This one is same. This one.
The same.
This one.
One is clockwise, second one anti-clockwise.
One is clockwise and second one is anti-clockwise.
The setting is sharp, getting in the grain.
What is the upside? Can you tell?
It's a withering process. Leave it to drying the leaves.
Definitely.
Heating season here, it gives a fun air. Raining season, hot air. That's this way, let the process start. See this? That's what they leave. No sunny. They had the inside pressing the big on so to the piece of right.
So how can you differentiate that? Which one is what?
No, white tea we need the battle is against others. That you know, commit something that the needs of it. This is a better one.
This will be the tag.
Then the green color, and now it's a oxbase. Oxbase. Please one over. Then dry. You have to drinking about more waste. Fiber. It's not part. It's not. It's not. Yes. Able to move. They use not compost, fertilizer. Yes. They will shooting. Yes.
There is like sir has explained us anything. Yes, definitely, yes. So thank you so much for providing this kind of information. It was nice to meet you. Thank you so much. So guys, after completing one day in Munnar, we had an amazing experience. I'm feeling really good, but it's time to say goodbye. So it was really nice. I enjoyed a lot. I just wanted to say thank you so much.
Thank you, Nan.
It was an amazing experience.